They've worked years for this, and it's finally time for them to apply to college. But where do you begin? The college application process can be intimidating. From choosing schools to writing essays, understanding the process, and keeping a timeline. There are a lot of moving parts. There are over 3,000 colleges in the United States alone. Large, small, rural, urban. How do you even begin to choose? Maybe this is your first time navigating this journey, or maybe you've done it before and realized that you need support this time. At Evolve, we'll guide you through the entire process, getting to truly know your son or daughter and eliminating you having to chase them down to get it all done. Your personal college coach will use our 8 modules to college acceptance to expertly guide you through this entire journey. From forming your college list, to writing unique essays, securing recommendations, navigating the Common App, right through to sifting through your acceptance letters. We're with you the entire way. Visit our website today to find out more about what we do. Let's start their future right.